Today, I'm going to show you how to make a really cool disco ball out of a pumpkin. It's similar to one I made last year with a few alterations, and it's perfect for a Halloween party. Start by taking a pumpkin, cut off the top and hollow it out. Then, using a screwdriver, poke through a series of holes in no particular pattern around the entire pumpkin. If you prefer, you could use a hand drill. Don't forget to do the lid. Clean it up and it should look like this. Next, take a length of thick string or cord and poke it through one of the holes into the pumpkin. I'm using a hole a few inches down from the top to make it stronger. Then tie a nice big knot onto the end of the string and pull it through like this. Take the string around to the other side and do exactly the same again. To make it stronger, I've added a second string like this. Next, take a single length of string, tie the two handles together, and tie the other end to a strong hook or fixing in the ceiling. Make sure all your knots are nice and secure, and if you prefer, you can tie it to the branch of a tree or something else outside. To make it light up, I'm going to use this really cool flashlight from This model, the TN12, is really bright and also has a strobe effect, which is what we'll be using. So turn your flashlight on, put it inside the pumpkin and place on the lid. Then give it a quick spin and dim the lights. Pretty cool, huh? And it makes a great centerpiece for your Halloween party. If you prefer to have it not flashing, just turn the flashlight on permanent. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, including this one about carving pumpkins,